again.
Answer the Public is a keyword tools, and it also contains several keywords that you can use to come up with topics that your audience is looking for. Now I will show you how to use the tool.
You are welcome to another tutorial on Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a SEO tool you can use to discover questions your audience is asking about your niche, product, or services. It is a very robust tool that will reveal to you different kind of keywords that you can use to create a robust and complete content for your audience. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Answer the Public to discover keywords you can use in creating high quality content for your audience. So this is a page. The URL is answerthepublic.com. I'll leave it in the description box below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to do so. Click on the subscription button so that you can get notifications each time I publish a high quality content like this. So don't miss out. Go ahead and click the subscription button below. So this is Answer the Public. It is a free and paid tool. Normally, it allows you to search for about 3 keywords per day. Now you can sign up, you can sign in and have an account there to try it out, or you get the pro account to be able to use the robust tool. Now, let's look at the tool and see what we can do with it. So here, to discover what people are asking about, you type in your keyword here. For instance, if I run a restaurant and I want to know more about rice, I'll put rice here, and I'll come to this place and choose the audience I want to target with my keyword. So let's look for United States. United States, great. And the language I speak there is English, so I'll still leave it on this one. If you have different language you want to target, you can easily click here and pick the language you want to use. So we are done with this. We just click on the search button. So here we are. Now, if you want to get the best out of this tool, make sure that your keyword, your topic, brand or product is having 1 or 2 words so that you can get the best results. You cannot combine 3, 4, 5 words there and get the best out of the tool. Just choose a topic, a brand or a product or a service you want to check, and put it here in this space. So we scroll down. Now there are different options you get with Answer the Public. The first is questions about the topic, brand, or product you want to check out. We have prepositions, we have comparisons, we have alphabeticals, and we have related. So the first one here is the questions. We have 80 questions under the topic. So these are, we have questions that relates to when, how, will, are, which, can, who, where, and what. Now, if you can see the screen very well, you discover that here you have the color, pink or red color. It gets lighter as the keywords progress. Now, keywords in this space here and here are more targeted than the ones with lighter color. So you have to keep this in mind when you are searching for your keywords. Pick the keywords that have a bit of coloring more than the lighter ones. So these are questions on the topic rice. Now we have prepositions also on the topic right. Prepositions include for, is, with, near, without, to, and can. So there are different kind of questions here. So rice without coconut milk, rice with chicken, rice can make you fat, rice can cause cancer, rice can cause acid reflux. So we move on to the other sections, and here we can see comparisons of the two. We have or, rice or potatoes versus rice versus USC, like, rice like chunks, rice like worms versus rice versus couscous. So we scroll on to discover more keywords. Here are alphabeticals. A, rice and peas, rice ali. B, rice bar and more. C, rice cooker and more. D, it continues like that until the end of the alphabet, Z. So we also have the related section. Uh, Rice Purity, Rice University, Rice Crispy Treats, and that is it. So you have different kind of keywords that you can use to create content for your audience. I so much love this tool because it is a good mine of keywords that you can use for your audience. Now, if you want to choose a keyword, like I said before, make sure that it is one of these and not the lighter ones. Um, yeah, so let's pick a keyword now and let me show you how I check for keywords here. I make sure that the keywords that I picked are low competition, long tail, and on the search result page, there should be a forum or a low content website like Quora. So let's see which one I can choose. Rice without arsenic. Let's try this. As soon as you click on a keyword, it takes you to the Google search page so that you can check it out. The volume, as you can see here, is 110. So you can scroll down to check and see whether you can write on the content. I installed the most bar tool to help me check the domain authority of the search of the result on the search page. If the website that are appearing on the page have a higher domain authority than mine, then I will not write on the topic because it is too competitive. However, if they are low, I can easily write on them and rank on the first page. As you can see, the domain authority for this keyword are higher. My domain authority is around 21, and I can see here domain authority that are more than that. So in order not to waste my time writing content that will not rank, I'll just go back and pick another keyword. Okay, let's try this keyword. Rice can increase cholesterol, to check whether you can rank for it or not. So it takes us to the Google results page as usual. You scroll down to check for any low content website. Wow, here we can find Quora. Quora is it's like a forum. So if you write a good keyword-rich article on this topic, you are likely to rank for it. So we can see, can I eat rice if I have high cholesterol? This is a forum, so we can rank for this keyword. So rice can increase cholesterol is a good keyword you can choose. So that's how you go through all the keywords and find out the ones you can use to write content for your audience. As you can see, there are so many results on this page. In fact, there are 388 results on rice alone. So the next thing you do is to download the results to your computer and save it so that you can always check for keywords in the file. It downloads in an Excel file that is common on every computer, and you can open it up to use it whenever you need keywords. So that is how to use the answer the public. Now, the paid version allows you to search for much more keywords, and it offers other features also. So, but as it is now, you can always make do of the free one, and if you need more, you can sign up to upgrade your plan. Now, if you have any question, drop it down in the description box below. I'll find time to answer it. And you can also get the link to the tool in the description box. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel so that each time I upload the video, you can always get a notification and be the first to get the video. Thank you for watching.